Alright guys, today I want to come on here and do a quick unboxing review on my new wireless portable pump. I do want to say thank you to the company for sending it out for review, so let's go and take a look at it. Alright, so check this out. Very, very cool. Let's take this piece off. Alright. Definitely cool to have in your vehicle, so that way if you get like a flat tire or anything, you have this ready to go, or if your tire is just low, let's go ahead and actually turn it on. All right, there it is. Let's go ahead and get the other accessories out. It does come with the user manual for it. All right, it does come with a carrying case for it, a Type-C cable to charge it up, and then the different accessories for it right there. But let's go ahead and actually hook up the hose to it. I'll just plug that in right here. Let's turn it like that, and it's good to go. One thing that I did want to point out, it also does serve as a power bank. So even if like your phone's dying or anything, you're able to give it a good charge through this as well. So let's go ahead and actually try that feature out. We'll plug it in right here. And there it is. Not just a portable air compressor, but also a portable battery pack as well. So very, very cool. Let's go ahead and plug that. And the Type-C that's right here is for you to charge it. So it does have the battery level right here. So let's go ahead and hook it up to one of the accessories, and then we'll even hook it up to the tire. My tires don't need any air, so we'll just hook it up really quickly just so you can see how easy it is to use. All right, so I'll go ahead and use this one for like footballs, basketballs, things like that. We'll just put it right here and then just lock it in. As you can see, this one needs some air. So we'll go ahead and pump it up. And I did want to show you, like on here, it has different modes. So right now it's set to a vehicle. So that one's motorcycle, bicycle. All right, and there it is, a ball. So we'll go ahead and hit power. Very cool, very easy. And there it is, ready to go. Super simple to use. Like I said, this actually inflated it very quickly, but now let's go ahead and actually try it on the tire and see how it does. The last thing that I do want to point out about it just from this view is if you hold this button right here, it actually also has a flashlight as well. Check this out. So if you need a little bit of light, especially if you're trying to inflate your tires, or just need it as for a flashlight in general, this can definitely do that as well. So another very cool feature on here. All right, guys, so there you have it. If you guys are looking for a portable air compressor, definitely look into this one. I'm gonna leave that link down below. Highly recommend.